Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Boys and girls and men and women and ladies and gentlemen. Well, if you don't know how to animate, alright. You have seen one of those Geometry Dash levels that definitely have cool animation and all that stuff. If you're a noob and you don't know how to use the editor mode, then if you don't know how to use the Geometry Dash editor, then I'm gonna show you. And this one is very important to make your level very important. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to use keyframes, which definitely are the best part of the level, which they are animations. So this might be a little complicated for you guys. So, alright, let's start. Alright. We put an object like this. If you want the spike to go, fast, or you want the spike to go, if you want the spike to move forward, then this is a trick that will help you. First, you place the object. Second, use the keyframe wherever you want to use it. Like I'm going to use it over here. So the keyframe is where the animation starts. So, and these arrows are also part of the keyframe system. So these are very important. Because if you don't use them, you will never be able to make an animation. I mean, you can make an animation, but you won't be able to make one if you don't use the arrows. So, this can include giving a group ID to the spike, giving a group ID to the arrows. So, definitely, there's something. Alright. Anyway, enough yapping, let's go. We put the group ID to the spike to one target group. We put this one on 2. We do the same. Even when it's like this. If you want the spike to move. Then look, there's something. Look at this. Look at this closely. If you're doing this wrong or right, you know it didn't work, right? Then that means you need to copy and paste it. Alright. Copy and paste. And let's see if it's correct about the animation and keyframes. Wait, we forgot something there. The animation group ID. Anyways, we'll start the animation. Yup. Animation complete. So that's how, whatever it is, keyframe systems work. So this is very important to use to make your level look popular. Well, sometimes it might not look popular as well. Unless if you give it too much decoration, then, it'll be good. And all that stuff. Yeah, you can make it in whatever editor you want. Like making your own level and using the keyframe systems and all that stuff. If you wanna. Alright. I'm gonna make a troll. If you wanna make a troll spike, then yup. You're here. If you don't know what are troll spikes, then here. Then if you jump on a spike, seems normal, right? Alright. Now time to do the same. Group 1, arrow there. Alright. Group 2, on the arrow. Keyframe. Keyframe on the middle. Animation group ID 2, target ID 1. Well, the groups that you added to the objects, if you added like whatever number group, then it might work. But like the same groups as the video, it won't work. I mean, if you put it like in the first group, the second group, it can work. I mean, it doesn't look like a troll. Doesn't look like a troll spike at all. Alright, look. Well, you see, you can't go to the spike, but there's a way to go. There's a way to go through it. And there's no way to go through it. Yay! Anyway, it's because a keyframe needs to start over here. Alright, and yup. And then we completed the level. And it's verified, you see? And that's how to make an animation. Or that's how you can move objects. So like and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next video.